Hey everyone, welcome to Scalier, and this is Scale 1, the very beginning of your DSA journey. We are starting with a simple but essential problem, finding the sum of digits of a number. This problem teaches you how to break down numbers and use loops. So let's dive in. The problem is simple. Given a number, we need to find the sum of the digits. For example, if the input is 1, 2, 3, the digits are 1, 2 and 3. The sum would be 1 plus 2 plus 3 equal to 6. Let's understand the logic before we jump into the code. To get the last digit of the number, we use modulus operator which is going to return the remainder of the digit. To eliminate the last digit, we perform integer division by using which we can eliminate the last digit of a number. We repeat this process until the number becomes 0. So let's take one number n is equals to 1, 2, 3 and another variable which we will be calling it as sum and initialize it as 0. So from this particular number, we are going to extract the last digit and add that number to the existing sum. After adding the number to existing sum, we need to eliminate this digit. So first I am going to perform modulus operation on this number with 10, which is going to return 3. I am going to add this 3 to the sum. Next, I need to eliminate this 3. So I am going to perform integer division by 10, which will going to return 12. This will be our new n. Now I am going to again perform modulus operation on this, which will return 2. I will add the 2 to the sum, and again we need to perform the integer division, which will return 1. This will become new n, and after that again we need to perform modulus. This will return 1, and I am going to add this to the sum. Now the n becomes 0, the loop ends. After adding these all digits, we get the sum as 6. So let's code this problem in the GFG portal. Here they have given an input variable as n. So we are going to create another variable as sum. We are going to take n as input and we are going to output the sum. First I am going to enter the code and after that I will explain it. So we have taken a variable sum and initialized it to 0. This will store the running total of digits as we extract them one by one, and next we have taken a while loop. This loop runs as long as n is greater than 0. Next we are going to perform the modulus operator. This extracts the last digit of the number. Next we need to add the extracted digit to the current sum by using this. In the last line, removes the last digit from the n by performing integer division, and this line returns the sum. So we are going to run the program, and the sum of 1 and 2 will be 3. This is the output.